Cadet Ishan Dablal, and we, the cadets from 29 UKBN NCC, have completed many campaigns for the TV program Swachhta Hi Seva, like World Tourism Day, World Maritime Day, Awareness Day on Food Waste, and today we are gathered here for the last voluntary activity for Swachhta Hi Seva program, that is, activities to peak on Swachhta Divas. For this, we have to understand what is Swachhta Hi Seva. Swachhta Hi Seva is an accelerated national-wide cleanliness campaign to reinforce Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Swachh Bharat mission and mobilize people into providing sustainable sanitation service for all citizens. As you know that actions speak more than words, that means it will not beneficial that we stand on stage on 2nd of October and burn a small cotton whisk in front of Mahatma Gandhi's photo. Rather than, we should take a step forward and do something for our nation. And NCC cadets are more expert in this type of voluntary activities. Therefore, now we will march a small rally in our school's locality to make Bharat clean and green. Let's march forward with a joshful war cry which will make cadets more energetic. राष्ट्रीय कैडेट कोर की जय! भारत माता की जय!
Jai Hind all of you. Today we all are gathered here to celebrate Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. As we all know that cleanliness is one of the major concerns of the government from few years, and therefore today our NGO has organized this assembly in the College of acknowledge people about the importance of cleanliness in our lives. Our aim to take people aware Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and make clean and healthy country. This campaign was launched in 2nd October 2014 at Rajghat by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And this campaign is not only limited to cleaning the surroundings, where do we live, but also cleaning the air us by the planting and trees, cleaning and maintaining our rivers, removing open defecation systems with toilets at home, etc. Removal of dirty in the surroundings will also ensure the removal of diseases too. Cleaning country is a step towards our development. Its benefits are not restricted to the removal of diseases, but also it will help in the climate change as well as will plant more than both plant. It's more about saving our mother's earth and the nature she has, which is getting worse day by day due to our non-eco-friendly activities. Thank you.
मैं शपथ लेता हूँ कि मैं स्वयं स्वच्छता के प्रति सजग रहूँगा और उसके लिए समय दूंगा। मैं हर सप्ताह में 2 घंटे श्रमदान करके स्वच्छता के संकल्प को चरितार्थ करूंगा। मैं ना गंदी करूंगा और ना किसी को करने दूंगा। मतलब सबसे पहले स्वयं से मेरे परिवार से मोहल्ले से तथा अपने नगर से और मेरे कार्यस्थल से शुरुआत करूंगा। मैं गली गली स्वच्छ भारत मिशन का प्रचार करूंगा। स्वच्छता की ओर बढ़ाया गया मेरा एक कदम पूरे भारत को स्वच्छ बनाने में मदद करेगा। मैं जो शपथ आज ले रहा हूँ वह अन्य 100 व्यक्तियों से भी करवाऊंगा। वह भी मेरी तरह सप्ताह में 2 घंटे दें, इसके लिए प्रयास करूंगा। मुझे मालूम है कि स्वच्छता की तरफ बढ़ाया गया मेरा एक कदम पूरे भारत देश को स्वच्छ बनाने में मदद करेगा।
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने, देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने।
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने, देश से अपने वादा कर लिया।
स्वच्छता की जोत लेकर घर घर जाएंगे, साफ सुथरी